So now that I've got my template here for the bottom of the engine, and I've outlined the placement of the engine where it has to be, actually, I'm going to take my template and set it in place there, and then what I'll do is I'll tape that down, and then I'll drill holes in the four corners where it needs to be. So now I'm going to get a punch and center punch and mark each of these holes in the center as close as possible before I start drilling. Alright, what I'm going to do is use a smaller drill bit to start with as a pilot hole, and then I'm going to add a little bit of oil as I drill, because it cuts better and it doesn't dull the drill bit. So. In fact, mark each hole. And I'm going to remove this because I want to use this template on another snowblower. So multi-purpose. Pretty close to another hole that's already there, but I didn't have the drill bit tightened enough, so okay. Over here I hit something inside, so I'm going to look underneath before I drill any further and find out what's going on. Okay, so when I was drilling holes in the top of this this snow blower in order to mount the new engine, I hit something on the back side as I was drilling through, and so looking from underneath here, you can ignore those holes there because those are for different engines. The new holes that I'm drilling are actually right behind this rod, so there's about a ½ inch of clearance between the part that I'm drilling through and the rod, and there's not any easy way of getting that rod out. That's this part here. Engages the auger or the wheels. I don't know which right offhand, but there's no easy way to get to that. So what I'm going to do is I'll continue to drill a larger hole through there, careful not to go too deep, and then I'll tap it, and between those two holes tapped, and then, well, you can't see over here, and 2 holes on the other side that are tapped, and the bracket on the front that the engine mounts to, there's still going to be plenty of holding power. So I just got to be careful when I drill those 2 holes. Alright, let's get back to it.